Waking up to sunshine, lit the game day on my mind. Well, got my jersey on, and I'm feeling so alive. Heading to the park, where the crowd is echoing loud. Cheer us on and pull the Blue Jays now. We're so proud. Oh, let's go Blue Jays. Let's make some noise. Together we will rise. Every girl and boy.
Welcome to another Jordan Division Sports Adventure. Well, the day has arrived. It is opening day in Toronto Blue Jays land. Yeah, the past couple of years with the renovations, they've opened on the road for like 3 series before they opened up with Game 11 at home, I guess. But yeah, for the first time in a few years, the Blue Jays are actually opening the season at home. I kind of went away from Blue Jays vlogging last year when it became clear that the Blue Jays weren't really going anywhere, and also when it became clear that I kind of needed a break. But yeah, I'm going to try and be a little more consistent. I'm not going to do 81 home games, obviously, but yeah, I'm going to try and steadily get some vlogs out for the Blue Jays this season. But I've got tickets to opening day against the Baltimore Orioles, and I'm going to take y'all with me. Let's go. This season is going to be kind of a telling season for the Toronto Blue Jays. Like, we have Vladimir Guerrero Jr. expiring at the end of the season, same with Bo Bichette. But they did kind of quietly have a decent offseason, signing Anthony Santander as a free agent from the Orioles, who we're going to be seeing today. Andres Gimenez, we got in a trade from Cleveland. We signed Max Scherzer. We locked up Alejandro Kirk for a while. Last season, too, when it became clear that the Blue Jays weren't going to contend, they sold off a lot of their expiring contracts and brought in some prospects as well. I don't know how many of them we're going to see this year. Like Will Wagner, we saw a bit last year. Joey Loperfido as well. We saw a little bit of Jonathan Clase at the end of last season. I don't think he was broken camp to begin this season yet, but I think he's going to be a stud in the minors. And, you know, there's a few more that are a little further down that we might see in a few years. But, yeah, I think the deadline was good last year. I think quietly the offseason was good. And, you know, I have some hopes. Now, as far as a seat today, I do have a 500 seat, but I have decided it is opening day. I do want to walk around for a bit, and I don't want to, like, be guarding a seat for 2 hours before the game starts. So I think I'm going to stay in my 500 seat today. I'm going to save the specialty seats for another day. Look forward to another day when I get to sit by the bullpen or get to sit in the bleachers or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to film it for my 500 seat today, and we'll go from there. All right. Let's head to Toronto. I'm also going to be taking the GO train today from Bramalea, actually. So it's actually not too far away from where the Steelheads play. So I'm going to experiment with that place because I think it's going to be a nice, smoother drive, better than driving to the subway and possibly even better than driving to Port Credit. So I'm going to do that. So without further ado, off to Toronto / Bramalea, I guess. Here we go. All right, Bramalea GO Station. It was just as smooth as driving to a Steelheads game pretty much, and you know the arena's not that far away. It's just the other way on Steels, but yeah, the train leaves in 15 minutes, so see you there. All right. Arrived in Toronto. Now to find the Rogers Center from here. A little different, got to get my bearings, but I'll figure it out. Ladies and gentlemen, my first view in 2025. Yep, obviously it's going to be closed today. It is still March. It is still a little bit wintry out there. You know, not quite summer weather, not quite beach weather yet. So I'm going to be inside for the foreseeable future, probably for a month or so. But yeah, when that thing pops, it's going to be nice. It's going to be real nice. All right. All right, and the outdoor view. Yeah, we're coming closer. So it's a 3 o'clock game. Doors open at 1. It's a little strange that, you know, they start opening day games this early, especially, you know, when people work and all that. They do it with some of the open air stadiums, you know, and like start the game early and have the second day off. Like in the event that, you know, it rains and they need the whole rest of the day and the whole rest of the next day to potentially reschedule opening day. But with a stadium like this, I don't think you need that. So a little puzzling why we start our opening day this early, but nonetheless, it is what it is. We're here in the early afternoon. I've taken my first full day off in probably years to be here, so let's get done. Let's find these lines. I guess these lines are too long considering what they are on some of the bobblehead days, but yeah, I'll find a nice line and get myself in there. Boo. This guy's lost. All right, made it inside. I'm going to explore downstairs first before we head upstairs to the seat. Like I said, it's opening day. I want to kind of walk all around a bit. So we'll do that, and then we'll watch some baseball. Oh, man, look at that beautiful thing. Looks like it's a new shade of green this year. Yeah, we got our Orioles practicing over there. We got our Jays over here. Rake in the bullpen. I imagine I'll spend a few games by the Jays bullpen. Probably spend a lot over at the bleachers. It's become my new favorite spot, really. Can't believe I'm here again. Let's go. All right, I've said all my hellos on the lower levels, and now I'm in the seat. So this is my view for the day. Jose Barrios, the opening day starter for the Jays. Orioles countering with Zach Eflin. Gonna be a good one. Can't wait. Let's go. Also, just got to look at the lineup. Santander and Jimenez are officially debuting as the Blue Jays. And we have a major league debut. Alan Roden is going to be debuting as the Blue Jays right fielder. So excited to see all those debuts and all the returning players as well. Going to be a fun one. Whoa, hello.
Blue Jays fans at the ballpark and those across Canada joining us live on Sports Now. Welcome to Rogers Center, home of your Toronto Blue Jays. We are as excited as you to say baseball is back for the 2025 season.
Yep. All right.
First, we recognize a long overdue award for first-time Gold Glove Award winner, Dalton Varsho.
Yep. Boy.
Three-time Gold Glover and an exciting addition to this infield, Andres Jimenez.
Yep.
Now a two-time Silver Slugger, Vladimir.
Attaboy.
And man, we're happy to see wearing Blue Jays blue. First-time Silver Slugger Award winner, Anthony Santander.
Welcome, welcome.
Let's hear it from all four players on their performances, as well as the entire 2024 team for winning the 2024 American League Team Gold Glove for defensive excellence.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
I did that too.
And now the starting lineup for your Toronto Blue Jays, managed by John Schneider.
Yep.
Batting first, the shortstop, number 11, Bo Bichette.
Yep.
Batting second, playing first base, number 27, Vladimir.
Boy.
Batting third, the left fielder, number 25, Anthony Santander. Batting fourth, at second base, 0, Andres Jimenez.
Yep.
Batting fifth, in the bullpen, catcher number 30, Alejandro
Turkey.
Batting sixth, the center fielder, number 4, George Springer.
Yep.
Batting seventh, the designated hitter, number 7, Will pitcher, right-hander number 17, Jose Barrios.
Woo! Can't wait.
Fans, your 2025 Toronto Blue Jays. This past December, we lost a treasured member of the baseball family.
Yeah.
Hall of Famer and two-time World Series champ, the Man of Steel, Ricky Henderson, spent 25 years in the big leagues. We were lucky to have him in Toronto for a short time. Henderson redefined the leadoff role. He was unstoppable on the base paths and holds records in stolen bases, runs, and leadoff home runs. A trophy case full of hardware, including Gold Glove, 3 Silver Slugger Awards, AL MVP Award, 10 All-Star nods, and 12-time stolen base champion. He won a World Series in Oakland and another here in '93 with your Blue Jays. Please join us in a moment to remember Ricky Henderson. Thank you.
All right. There it is.
With us today to carry the Canadian flag are 225 members of the Canadian Armed Forces.
Our home and native land, true patriot love, in all of us command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Almost felt lost in those beautiful harmonies there.
Blue Jay fans, our friend Evan here.
All right. There he is.
To throw out our ceremonial first pitch of a 4-time Gold Glove winner, Platinum Glove winner, and World Series champ who controlled Major League outfields for over 10 years, the outlaw Kevin Kiermaier.
He didn't want to wait. He just threw it. And Varsho catching. That's nice.
Kevin, congratulations on an amazing career.
The outfield hugs. Springer joined him for that. Oh, love it. All right. Taking the field for the first time in 2025. All right. Let's go, Barrios. Get out of the way, umpires. First pitch. Here we go. Ooh. Woo! One down. Jose, 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 Jose.
Catcher number 5.
Oh, Rutschman. Well, second batter of the game. It's 1-0 Orioles. We'll get it back. Oh! Double play to get out of it, and the Jays are coming to bat. All right. Down to 1-0, get it back.
The first inning for the Blue Jays. Shortstop, number 11, Bo.
All right, Bobo. Oh! Nah, I got it. 1 down.
Baseman, number 27, Vladimir.
All right, Vlad. Okay. 2 down.
Left fielder, number 25, Anthony Santander.
All right. First AB for him. Saying hi to his little friend Rutschman. No, too high. All right, through 1. Ooh. Walking now a double to start the Orioles second. Ooh. See how Barrios gets out of this. Woo! Oh! Save! What? Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Run scores. Oh, wow. Well, that is going to be 2 runs in any case, but no challenge. It's going to be a mound visit. 2-0 Orioles. Come on. All right. Hold him there. All right. I just laughed out and strained them. Oh, yeah! All right. We're down 2. Jose. We can deal with 2. All right. Let's get it back.
Andres Jimenez.
All right. Another first Blue Jay at bat. No. 1 down. Ooh, Springer strikes out, and we are through 2. All right. No runs, no hits so far. Make it better, boys. Oh, man. First 2 O's reach again. Okay, 1 down. Jose. All right, get out of this now. Get that. All right, 2. Oh, we almost got out of it, but 3-run homer, Tyler O'Neill. Make it 5 for the Orioles. Oh, get it. All right. Out of the inning, got some work to do.
Right fielder, number 18, Alan Rogan.
All right. First time will be at bat, hype. No. Again to the 4th. Well, another leadoff homer in the 4th. Mullins. Orioles have made it 6. All right. Got 1. Through the 4th. Haven't put up a 0 yet. See if the second time through the order can do something. All right, Bobo, do something. No. 1 down. All right. Well, glad he walks. Got our first base runner. That's the start I got. He didn't walk, he ran. All right, keep it going. Oh, Menez. Oh, yeah. He gets on the board. Menez with a 2-run shot. better make it 6-2. All right. Ride that, and he puts the jacket on. Looks good on you. Turkey just pulled up to end the fourth. We got something. All right. Jimenez with a 2-run homer and our first hit as well. So to the 5th. Oh yeah. Gets Rushman 1 down. Tough play, tough play. Oh yeah! And Jose puts up a 0. All right. Keep chipping away with the bats. Maybe we can get back in this. Wagner! Not deep enough. And we'll end with a fly out 2. Quick 5th. 6-2 Orioles going to 6. All right. Got a Blue Jay debut taking over from Rios in the 6th. It is Richard Lovelady. It was a Ray for a while. See what he can do here. Oh, you got that. Okay. Woo! Nicely done. 2 down.
Now pitching for the Blue Jays, right-hander number 67, Jacob Barnes.
Okay, Jacob Barnes relieves Lovelady after the hit by pitch. All right. Got out of it. Okay, let's get something on the board.
Really? 3/4 of the final.
Oh, get through, get through. First hit for Alan Rodin. Boy. All right. Let's make this the start of something. We keep it going for Bobo.
Register to go down.
Oh! Go! Go! Ah! Right against the wall. Oh, no. I don't think so. Through 6. Still 6-2. Oh man, I gotta try and catch this again. Let's see. Yeah. Come on, show it.
Right fielder number 9, Tyler O'Neill.
Oh man. Springer with the glove. Alright. Oh, no. Off the bag. And they're loaded. Oh no, he got the out of 3rd.
I didn't even think he had a chance.
All right, they're bringing in Chad Green to face Mullins. 2 on, 2 out. 1 out to stretch time. Uh-oh. Mullins again. This time a 3-run shot.
Did he have people on
And the lead is now 9-2. Well, stretch time. Might be a little hard to get hype for this one, but let's see what we got. Okay. Blue Jays. Let's play ball. Okay. Blue Jays. Let's play ball. Well, it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. All right. I think they changed their pitcher. See if we can get back in this.
Orioles right-hander number 56, ceremonies.
Might be a tall order, but we'll try. And that one falls. Wagner with a hit, couple on right now. See if we can do something with this. Oh, popped up. That's a 7. 8th. Jays down by a bunch. Another new pitcher for the 8th, Orioles Rodriguez.
Blue Jays. Right-hander number 29, Yariel Rodriguez.
I just said that. All right. No. Got a hit.
Everyone has a hit on their lineup.
What he said.
Yeah, one more as well.
Yep. You got that. Yep. Oh, wow. Two-run shot for Rushman, his second. And that makes it 11. Oh, wow. 2 for Rushman, 2 for Mullins. O'Neill has one. Been one of those games. We haven't had an opening day like this in a while. Once in a while, it was bound to happen. Oh! That just went out too?
They're fighting to see who can get the highest here. That's going up.
Well, that's 12. Westberg adding to the party.
3 digits in the reach? 70 something. 81.
Woo! Okay. Got out of that inning. All right. Let's score 10. Bottom 8. Santander pop up. And Rutschman's got it. We're through 8.
That was certainly an inning.
Okay. One more.
Hitter number 52, Nick Sandlin.
Okay, Nick Sandlin is our 9th inning pitcher. He came over in the same trade from Cleveland, as we got Jimenez from. So, hopefully he has a smooth inning, and we have a smooth transition to tomorrow, I guess. Okay. All right, no Hattie for Mullins. You got that. You got that. All right. Bottom 9. Time to put up a 10 spot. We can do it, right? All right. Close it out. All right. Kirky with one in the corner. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Well, close play, but thrown out trying for second. And that's out number 2. Ringer. Oh, that's the ball game. All right. Well, Orioles take opening night, or opening day, I guess, 12 to 2. You can hear how the Blue Jays fans feel about it, but first game of the season, 161 to go. Hopefully we still have a chance, but, you know, we did win opening day last year, so, and then look what happened last year, but, you know, I feel like the outdoor celebration might be minimal today, but there might be some few people just kind of celebrating that baseball is back, so we'll take a quick look around and see what's going on.
Got the rhythm in the pace, make them flow. Hey yo, live roll, we take toes. Hey yo, so my man got the shoes in the baggy blue. Yankees watching my right knee. Hey yo, it's real, yo. We got a sweater looking real comfy, yo. I gotta love these. Hey yo, told y'all before holiday, rest in peace. One of the best pictures that I've ever seen. Hey yo, she even got the celebration jacket, ready for the lights, camera, action. What's up here? Hey yo, I start flows at a concert. We on the stage, yo, live with a piece, yo. Even got the Converse. Hey yo, the star in the circle, live when it's purple. What's up, yo? Wake up early to see the game. Came through, thank you, rock it out the frame. Hey yo, big up to y'all. Came through, Raptors playing ball, yo, exercise and all. What's up, baby? Hey yo,
talking about my jacket.
Watch how we go and I behave. I put them on the frequency that they be feeling. The families, my man got the cotton candy. What up, baby? Hey yo, Prince of the Sea came through, represent for the team. Yeah, yo, the Nike's on the feet, all up in the white 42. Jackie Robinson, get it right, yo. A hard close, start flows. I handle balls. He ready for war. He got a camouflage. What up, my guy? Fresh from the head to the sky. Love to see y'all going by. What up, y'all? Big up to the kids. What up, my man? He got the jacket. He got the whole glove ready. Shout out to everybody, for real.
Bye.
Yeah.
Right. We've come down a couple times just for an overnight and
All right, Toronto, it's been fun. First time this year. Then the game happened, but yeah, hopefully my next game, whenever that may be, I'm not sure with the OHL playoffs being what they are, but hope next time I'm able to come, hopefully it's a better one. But yeah, like I said, this could be an omen, but it could be a reverse omen as well. Like last year was not a great season, but the first 5 or 6 games I personally attended were all wins. So baseball's funny like that. Maybe it'll be funny like that again. So not sure exactly when the next time is going to be, but until the next time, whenever it is. All right, it's go train time. Whew. Right here, just made it. All right, back to Bramalea. But anyways, all that's going to do it for this Jordan Division Sports Adventure. Blue Jays lose 12-2 to the Baltimore Orioles in their home opener. They do have 3 more games with the Orioles in this series, and then 3 games against the Washington Nationals before they go on the road for the first time. So 162-game season, and that was just the first one, so hopefully it's not a sign of things to come. Maybe it could be a reverse jinx, something like that. You know, I talked about it, but I'm not sure when my next Blue Jays adventure is going to be, because I'm going to be very occupied with the OHL playoffs. Game 1 in Oshawa for the Steelheads actually starts tomorrow. I'm going to be live for that one. It's probably already happened by the time this is up. And my next live adventure is probably going to be Game 2 in Oshawa. That is on Sunday, March 30th. So that's the next video I plan to make, so tune in for that one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Check out my reaction channel, Jordan Division Reactions. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my baseball vlog, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.